नमस्कार दोस्तों, बैंकिंग अफेयर्स में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम नवंबर सेकेंड वीक के करंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करेंगे। हालांकि ये वीडियो काफ़ी पहले आ जाना चाहिए था, लगभग एक हफ्ते से ज़्यादा लेट हो चुका है, तो इसके लिए हम माफ़ी चाहते हैं आपसे। चलिए खैर इस वीडियो को अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं। और अगर अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, जिससे कि आपको आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। चलिए अभी इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन, Which country has recently launched a commemorative coin celebrating the life and legacy of Mahatma Gandhi? So this is launched by United Kingdom. Okay, United Kingdom. Prime Minister of United Kingdom is Boris Johnson. Okay, Boris Johnson. Okay. अगला क्वेश्चन, Which state has credited the country's first ever bamboo-made cricket bat and stump? So this is done by Tripura. Okay, Tripura. अगला क्वेश्चन, Which one of the following institution has launched a video life certificate service for pensioners? So this is launched by SBI. Okay, SBI. अगला क्वेश्चन, The Bandhan Bank has appointed Jubin Garg as its brand ambassador for which state? So this is appointed for Assam. Okay, Assam. अगला क्वेश्चन, GDP growth rate of India in financial year 22 as per Brickwork ratings. So this is 10 to 10.5%. Okay, 10 to 10.5%. अगला क्वेश्चन, Who is the author of the new book titled An Economist at Home and Abroad, a Personal Journey? So this is written by Shankar Acharya. Okay, Shankar Acharya. अगला क्वेश्चन, Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of PTC India Limited? So this is Rajiv Kumar Misra, appointed chairman and MD of PTC India Limited. Okay. अगला क्वेश्चन, Brickwork Ratings is a SEBI registered credit rating agency with headquarter at in which city of the country? So this is in Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore. Headquarter of Brickwork Rating is in Bangalore. अगला क्वेश्चन, The Reserve Bank of India has launched its first global hackathon. What is the name of hackathon? First, so this is Harbinger 2021. Okay, Harbinger 2021. अगला क्वेश्चन, IBM Corporation has launched a client innovation center in which of the following city? So this is launched in Mysore. Okay, Mysore. अगला क्वेश्चन, Who is the author of the new book titled Modern India for Civil Services and Other Competitive Examinations? So this is written by Poonam Dalal Daya. Okay, C. Poonam Dalal Daya. अगला क्वेश्चन, Junio has tied up with which of the following debit card issuer for pre-teen and teensers? So this is launched by RuPay. Okay, RuPay operated by NPCI. NPCI stand for National Payment Corporation of India. Okay. अगला क्वेश्चन, Which of the following state is the best performing state in the nominal logistics index 21? So this is best state is Gujarat. Okay, Gujarat. अगला क्वेश्चन, Which of the following cities selected UNESCO network of creative cities? So this is Srinagar. Okay, Union Territory Jammu and Kashmir's capital is Srinagar. Okay. अगला क्वेश्चन, Which UT government has launched Shramik Mitra scheme for construction workers? So this is launched by Delhi. Okay. CM of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal. Okay. Arvind Kejriwal. अगला क्वेश्चन, Who has been appointed as Amway India's brand ambassador? So Amitabh Bachchan is the appointed Amway India's brand ambassador. Okay. अगला क्वेश्चन, Who has recently been appointed as the Chief of Central Industrial Security Force, which called CISF? So head is Seelvardhan Singh. Okay, Seelvardhan Singh. अगला क्वेश्चन, Who among the following has been appointed as the new DG of NDRF? So Atul Karwal appointed new DG, Director General of NDRF. Okay, National Disaster Relief Force. अगला क्वेश्चन, Who has become the richest self-made woman in India? So Falguni Nayar become first become the richest self-made woman in India. Okay. अगला क्वेश्चन, Reserve Bank of India has lifted restriction imposed on which credit card issuer? So this is from Dinners Club International Limited. Okay. Dinners Club International Limited. NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited has tied up with which of the following company to provide its marquee offering Click Pay to the insurers customers? So this is by NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance tied up for to provide its marquee offering ClickPay to insurance customers. Okay. अगला क्वेश्चन, who has launched two innovative customer centric initiative of the Reserve Bank of India? So this is launched by our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Okay, Narendra Modi ji. अगला क्वेश्चन, who has been appointed as the Director General of NCB? NCB recently in news, so I taken this question. NCB stand for Narcotics Control Bureau. Okay, so who is the appointed Director General? Satyanarayan Pradhan. Okay, Satyanarayan Pradhan appointed Director General of NCB. अगला क्वेश्चन, who is the new Secretary General of the Upper House of the Parliament? So PC Modi appointed new Secretary General of Upper House of Parliament. What is the name of Upper House of the Parliament? Rajya Sabha. Okay. Lower House of the Parliament, Lok Sabha. Okay. And our Parliament name is Sansad. अगला क्वेश्चन, द इंटीग्रेटेड ओम्बुड्समैन स्कीम रिसेंटली लॉन्च बाय PM मोदी एमग्लेट्स कितने कंपनियों को मर्ज करके बनाया गया? सो करेक्ट आंसर इज 3. 3 कंपनियों को मर्ज करके ओम्बुड्समैन स्कीम को बनाया गया. ओके, सो इसी के साथ ये वीडियो समाप्त होता है. इस जो नवंबर 2nd वीक के करंट अफेयर जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थे उसको यहाँ पे ले लिया गया है. ओके, तो ये वीडियो काफ़ी लेट हो गया है, इसके लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. और अगर आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को भी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट सेक्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक करके ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो चलिए इस वीडियो को यहीं पर एंड करते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. हैव एन ऑसम डे. थैंक यू.